How to log into YouTube Kids account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be discussing about login into your YouTube Kids account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in YouTube Kids in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. And you will come across various websites from where you need to go to the initial link that says YouTube Kids. Click on it. And as soon as you click on it, you will be directed to this kind of interface where you have to first identify yourself as a parent. So click on I am parent and then click on next again. Enter the year you were born. Then click on submit. Then you will come across this kind of video. Then click on show text and go through this text over here. Then click on next again. Now simply sign in with your Google account. Also go through this parental consent. Read all this text and click on next. Also confirm your Gmail account. Enter your passkey. Then enter your child's first name, his or her age, his or her birth month, and click on next. Select your preference according to your child's age and then click on next again. If you want to turn on the search history, you can click on turn search on, or you can also click on turn search off. This way you will be able to successfully open and log in into your YouTube Kids account. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.